Troubleshooting power issues for the AirShield and Newport 9000 models. First, check that the outlet has power by plugging something else into the same outlet. Double check that the faceplate is installed on the unit correctly by squeezing the top and lower sides of the unit. If the faceplate is on correctly, follow the next steps. Remove the faceplate and check the back of the faceplate towards the bottom. Locate the L-shaped plastic piece. Ensure this piece is fully intact and does not look damaged or broken. Next, we are going to remove all filters to make sure nothing inside the unit is damaged. Check that the UV bulb in the back of the unit isn't broken or cracked. Check the metal prongs towards the bottom of the unit. Make sure all three are present and are in good shape. If yours are dirty, please clean them off so it can make a good connection with the filters. If all is good, put the unit back together, starting with the TiO2 filter in the very back, making sure the filter is in there nice and flush. Then the HEPA activated carbon filter with the white side facing the front, again checking the filter is flat and flush inside the unit. Before we install the metal grid assembly into the machine, we're going to check to make sure nothing is damaged on the filter. First, look at the bottom of the filter. You will notice on the black pre-filter there is a small plastic piece off on its own. This is an important piece that makes a connection with the middle of the three metal prongs. If this piece is missing or broken, you will need to replace the filter. Carefully remove the pre-filter from the metal grid assembly and double check that all of the grid wires are installed and intact. There are 3 wires total. If all is good, carefully reinstall the pre-filter to the metal grid assembly, paying close attention to not break that small plastic piece off the bottom of the pre-filter. Install the metal grid assembly into the unit, starting by hooking in the filter at the top, then gently pushing the rest of the filter into the unit so that it is flush and snug in the machine. Reinstall the faceplate by hooking it at the top and snapping it on the bottom. There are clips on both sides of the faceplate. Double check both are fully snapped into place. If you are still having troubles with the power on your air purifier after following these steps, please give us a call at 888-601-5886.